Do you think we'll see any shift from anything that's going on in the market right now? When it comes to these larger corporations shifting anything into Puerto Rico in the future?
Well, you have to remember that for decades, we still have a lot of Fortune 500 companies in Puerto Rico, but for decades, really there was a big production here. Your Wyeth Pharmaceuticals, your Advil, Tylenol, and your Viagra is still produced as manufactured out of Puerto Rico. Johnson and Johnson, I used to be an analyst for them, a financial analyst. At one point, they had 12 manufacturing facilities in Puerto Rico. So they still hold some of that presence. Now we're seeing a lot of pressure from U.S. Congress, from private sector to find a way to bring manufacturing back under the U.S. flag. And Puerto Rico allows you to do that. You're creating U.S. jobs, you're working under the American flag, and if structured properly, you get great tax savings because of that.
Yeah. So do you think that's, I guess I'm alluding to, everyone's talking about China right now and manufacturing over there and trying to bring it back, stateside or in U.S. homeland territories. Do you think that will have an impact here and Puerto Rico might be able to get a bite of that?
Yeah, absolutely. There's definitely several initiatives to that point. There was legislation already filed by a Republican senator. It's called the Beat China Act. And that's specifically focused on bringing manufacturing to Puerto Rican soil. Okay. There are groups already, exploring what was left behind, what's the condition of the factories. So, yeah, I think a lot of things are aligning for this to make this happen again.